Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid serum for skin. Sanitize your workspace, wash hands, and sterilize utensils before measuring ingredients. Measure 1% hyaluronic acid powder into distilled water, heat gently if using sodium hyaluronate, then cool and add preservative and glycerin. Adjust pH between 5 and 6, bottle in amber dropper, label and enjoy. I'll walk through each ingredient and why it matters, so you know what to buy and how to measure. Start with clean tools, measure sodium hyaluronate at 1%, and dissolve slowly in chilled distilled water to avoid clumps. Stir gently, then incorporate glycerin, preservative, and optional soothing extracts. Test pH and viscosity, adjust as needed, and always perform a patch test before full facial application. Store in a cool, dark place for up to 3 months. Follow simple mixing steps for smooth, effective serum. Slowly add hyaluronic powder to water while stirring to hydrate properly and avoid lumps. Use a magnetic stirrer or handheld stir at low speed until fully dissolved, then let the solution rest to remove entrapped air. When cooled to room temperature, add glycerin, preservative, and calming botanical extracts. Check pH, bottle in amber droppers, and label with date for safe use, and enjoy improved hydration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.